Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Mariano in Florida on the Ranger RCI-2970N4. Mariano, we got you ready to go, bud. You are the 1,000th order of the month, so you received one free extra modification. We installed the voltage regulator upgrade at no charge. You've got the tune alignment here. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. It's about 21 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 125 all the way up. Show your average power swing. Hello audio. About 215. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Got that 500 watt slug over in the corner. Show you sideband. Hello. About 400 on sideband all the way up. Hello. About 225, 250 all the way down. Alright, Mariano is headed your way along with the heavy duty stud mounts for your mobile application. Be sure to run 4-gauge wire when you get ready to run this. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.